Most Terra Classic holders right now are thinking if they should continue holding or if they should just give up on Terra Classic. I saw comments on Terra Classic Twitter page. I saw comments even on CoinMarketCap. I was like, well, I think for me, people are scared of maybe holding their coins. Some still feel if they keep on holding this coin, maybe in the next year or next 2 years, anything might happen, or maybe Luna hits $1 or 1 cent, they will be losing or they will not be gaining such. And because, let me tell you the truth, because Binance founder CZ himself is really supporting this coin full back, and he also owns, not that he's just supporting Luna, he himself also bought Terra Classic coins. Yes, CZ bought Terra Classic. I know if you don't know that, just have it in mind that CZ himself invested on Terra. Not just that Binance listed or he had been supporting them. He himself, just like the way we also invested on Terra Classic, CZ himself also invested on Terra Classic. So this is one thing, I believe this is one thing that is still holding Terra Classic. This is one thing some holders are still looking up to. That, okay, let's keep on waiting, because even the biggest crypto exchange in the world, the owner is still holding up to his coin, and anything can happen. You know, like I said, anything can happen. This is the only thing holding people, not just people. Me particularly, this is what is also holding me. Any day I see that Binance is actually giving up for Terra Classic, that same day I will definitely sell out all my Terra Classic coin. I'm very serious about it. I will sell everything now, and I will stop creating videos about Terra Classic. That is the truth. But I'm still happy to that at least they are still getting support. Well, just like other crypto coins, some coins rise and they go down. The same things happen for Terra Classic. But this time around, it have really hit Luna. It has really hit Terra Classic. But let's keep on watching to see how it goes. I still believe that if Luna can rise to the top 50 crypto coins, or if they manage to get huge investors coming in, and if the market cap can hit at least $700 to $800 million, this is going to mark the beginning of revival. This is going to mark the beginning of Terra Classic hitting higher and higher. Okay, but apart from that, let's keep on hoping to see how it goes. I still believe on Terra Classic coin to rise massively. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.